Texas.
It sounds pretty good to me.
Says she wanna look what happens to see.
Well, it sounds pretty good to me.
Says she wanna have sex with me.
Man, it sounds pretty good to me.
Says she wanna know I'm fucking my G.
Man, it sounds pretty good to me.
So 90s, your bitch tryna find me. Plus the other hoes on side keep eyeing me. Fresh cut, fresh clothes, dry clean. Big bucks, dumb hoes, try me. And I slap a bitch, then ski in the throat. And I chop a snitch, let his body pieces float. I do all that on my motherfucking boat. No joke, choking foods, no rope.
Feeling like a soldier cause my target getting closer. I am my chauffeur, never look over the shoulder. Far from over, even farther from sober. But I'm closer to you, body rocking, no boulder. I will afford you 3-ring fucking folder. Have you singing notes, I don't even mean my notebook. Beyonce vocals, yeah, Einstein don't good. If you liking the scene, girl, just wait for the explosives.
I get so ill, so I smoke some stress. The whole crew making money, but I make the less. I'ma fuck the beat up, rip it up to shreds. Break the switcher down nice, ready for the sesh. Get your money up quick if you know what's best. Skip the pop twist, fuck it, it's the final test. To save money, doesn't talk, I let it talk for me. I ain't pushing nothing less than 40 keys. I'ma see the whole world cruise the 7 seas. Regardless if I'm sober, if I smoke some weed.
Check it, I don't need a big book, I don't need no pen. All I need is like a cushion, a pint of that gin. Every time I'm in the hood, I be committing them sins. It's a doggy-dog world and gangsters make the world spin. I had your girlfriend blow me like a whirlwind, and I had your wife bent over taking that pipe. Did it dirty for a night, and I know it wasn't right, but it was just an average day living that hood life. Jewelry, I wear same with a guy away from security. But these niggas ain't rapping with linebacker Vin. Give him the ball, I'm about to tackle him. Yeah, I'm accurate, I've been practicing this rapping shit, adding and subtracting it. I mean multiplication, all that division. I'm popping this, now it got me tripping. Supervision, wait, I'm on the mission to get better with every letter that I fucking put together. Yeah, and I'm spitting. These niggas out here, man, they ain't vicious. A nigga need to let this dog cause I'm rapping, whipping. I don't even know what's happening. What's happening? You say you're rapping, man. So what's happening with that rapping ish, man? I got the beats on lock. I got